Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the surface area and the volume of cylinders. So to find the surface area, we need to find the area of the top circle and the bottom circle. We also need to find the area of the shape that wraps around the circle, or in other words, the shape that wraps around the circumference of the circle. And the way I like to think about it is if you take a scissor and you cut the cylinder right here, if you cut this part and then you unfold it, this shape turns out to be a rectangle. The height of the rectangle is the same as the height of the cylinder. Now, what about the base? Well, if you take a piece of paper and you fold it from one end to the other end so that you fold around the circumference of the circle, you also get a cylinder. And so for that reason, the base of the rectangle is the same as the circumference of the circle. I hope that makes sense. Okay, and so what is the area of one circle? The area of one circle is pi times r squared, and since there are two circles, we need to multiply by 2. How about the area of the rectangle? Well, the area of a rectangle is the base times the height. And remember what I said before, the base of the rectangle, which is this part, is the same as the circumference of the circle. Now, if you remember from my previous videos, the circumference of a circle is 2 times pi times r. And so that is the formula to calculate the surface area of the cylinder. For example, if we have a cylinder with a radius of 2 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters, what is the surface area? So we can use the formula, and we know that r is 2. So we can substitute the number 2 into the variables r here and here. And same thing for the height. The height is 6 centimeters. And so on this side, 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 times 2 gives you 8. And over here, 2 times 2 times 6 is 24. And the last step is you take 8 pi plus 24 pi, which is equal to 32 pi centimeters squared. And if you put this into a calculator, it gives you approximately 100.53 centimeters squared. And so that is our answer. The surface area of this cylinder is approximately 100.53 centimeters squared. Now, how do you calculate the volume of a cylinder? Well, the formula is pi times r squared times the height. Where does this formula come from? You can think of it as the area of the circle, which is pi r squared times the height. So it's like having the area and then you stack it on top until you reach the height. All right? And so we know that the radius is 2, the height is 6. 2 to the power of 2 gives you 4, and 4 times 6 is 24. If you put this into a calculator, 24 pi is approximately 75.40 centimeters to the power of 3. And that is our answer. Let's do one last problem for today. So here we have a cylinder, we have the diameter of 8 meters, and the height is 5 meters. What is the surface area and what is the volume? If you can calculate those two, you are welcome to try. Alright, and so first of all, we need to find the radius in order to find the surface area. But here we have a diameter. Alright, so what is the radius? Well, remember the radius is half the diameter, And so the radius is 4 meters. Now, the surface area is this formula, and the radius is 4, and the height is 5. 4 to the power of 2 gives you 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. Over here, 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times 5 is 40. The last step is you take 32 pi plus 40 pi, which is 72 pi. This is equal to approximately 226.19 meters to the power of 2. And so the surface area is approximately 226.19 meters squared. To find the volume, we use the formula V is equal to pi times r squared times the height. So r is 4, the height is 5, 4 to the power of 2 is 16, and 16 times 5 is 80. And so if you put 80 pi into the calculator, it gives you about 251.33 meters to the power of 3. And so that is our answer. And don't forget to include in your unit at the end. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now, I would like you to try one yourself. So, can you find the surface area and the volume of this cylinder? So, in this cylinder, the radius is 6 centimeters and the height is also 6 centimeters. So, go ahead and find the answer and then put them down in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, please click the like button and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.